without ado, here we go to unbox some peptides and other things. So this is my new AgeMate. I go through about one of these a month. This is my little storage container I use. So let's unbox this bad boy. And this is what it comes in. I'll pop this into here and then I'll use this. I can take this off and then I can use that as another little vitamin holder. I'm really enjoying this. It says 1 level scoop into 250 mils of cold water. I thought I had my thing here, but I like to put it in a litre of water. Sometimes I spread it out over 2 litres. That's just what I do. Not vitamin advice or medical advice, just what I'm doing, just to exist on this planet. The first time I got this one, I was so excited because it was the first time I'd got my GHK-Cu order. And I filmed it, but then the upper gods deleted it. So anyway, I've got the next box here, but I'm just as excited for it too. So here we go. This is my second month of supplies in here. I'm up to my 9th injection today. So that means I have one more. I've been on it for 3 weeks. And I think I'm starting to see some changes. I don't know if I've been through or come out the other side of the copper uglies. I did have some red on my neck that seems to, and itching that seems to have subsided. So let's get into this box. They've made it Rex proof. Okay, here we go. I'm trying to find the best angle for you to see this, so I'll do it this way. Mess everywhere. My real life is messy. Okay, here we go. Open this up. This is a GH. Ooh, here we go. So as we can see, this is really good. This is already in a pen form. So I'm so excited to see that this has come through with all the bits and pieces that I need. I have another one of these, which is great. I have all the medical swabs. And this is great. This is perfect. And then in here is where everything is. So I'm really happy with how this has come through. 2 cold packs. It comes straight to the door. And here we go. Pen instructions, which is always a good thing. I'm just uber impressed. So far, my experience with this peptide and this company has been fantastic. So again, it's another 12-week course. After this, I've got one more and then I'll take a month off. So my plan is to get one more of these. And then I've done the 3-month course with this particular company. My only problem is these are $490 a month, and I actually cannot afford $490 a month. So I'm actually looking at getting from another source. But anyway, I'm going to go pop this in the fridge, and I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing, and I'll see you shortly for the unboxing of something else. Continuing on the unboxing of things. Hello, Barley. No show without punch. So I've ordered this stuff. It's called Smooche. Now apparently it's designed for women over 50, for women with, because our skin changes as we get older. So let's have a look at this. See what. Not sponsored, by the way, but this is just sharing what tips and stuff. So here we go. Oh, Ernie's in on it now. There you go. Go play with that. Over there. Go over there. Oh, isn't this sweet? Look at that. Smoochy. It's smoochy. Look at a little pack. Will I look like that afterwards? Now let's have a look at one of these. Does it tell me how to do it? No. Oh, Barley's very interested, aren't you, Barley? Well, come over here. Come on. You come. Oh, yes. Do you want some too? You're already smoochy. Okay, here we go. The dinging you can hear in the background is Ernie and Barley. It's very interesting. All right. Colour foundation. Apply gently, blend into your skin. Wait. Watch and wait. Transform. A flawless glow. Alright. Colour changing. Very similar to one of the foundations I've already got. It's nice. It's lovely actually. I've got a brush that I use normally. It's too tight to show you. What do you think? Did I do my other side? I'm not sure I can see a hell of a lot of difference. The lighting probably isn't brilliant. I haven't got my light thing set up or anything. I haven't even got my new little microphone. I just was too keen to get in here and give this a go because I bought 2 of them. I have to put my makeup on these days blind because I can't put this on and then do my eyes. Oh, so anyway. Don't mind that. I have a new peptide here. Today, I've just received my very first BOC-157 vials. So let's open up and see what we get in here. Goodness! All the vials. Oh, lollies. This is interesting. Totally random. All right. I'll get these in a container and get them in the fridge. Teeny tiny. Lazarus Labs. I'm very interested to see what this will be like.